Well, today is not only a day of history making back home in Australia with Collingwood winning the grand final for the second week, but we're also here in Milano, Italy, and we're about to witness these beautiful girls behind making history. Here we are with the very beautiful Daniela, who is also the captain of Team Italia. Tell me, how did you become involved in AFL?
It's my oval guru fault. I mean, Luca Tramontini is my colleague, is my friend, yes. Now is my coach, and I really in love with the oval games, oval codes. But I've never tried to play, and as I'm anchoring a rugby show where we talk about all the oval codes and also EFL, of course, he said, let's try.
How did you get involved in AFL? How did you come across it?
I went to Australia as a working holiday maker and wanted to play. I played rugby previously but wanted to play something different, so I started playing for my local AFL team and it just stuck.
Okay, so tell me, how do you feel about being the first women's league to be here at the EuroCup finals?
Well, personally it's quite a privilege to be able to play with the Irish team. Very grateful for their invitation to play. And obviously, in terms of developing female football, I think it's a great opportunity and really looking forward to the game.
How do you feel about being part of this?
Really proud for a start. It's great to play for your country, and it's great to be the first Irish team to play here at this tournament. So it's really good.
Sure. And how did you come across AFL?
Well, they started a team in Kilrea in County Derry, and I joined it, and then we did trials, and then they selected the Irish team. So it was really Andrew, our coach, who's Australian. He brought it to us. So. Yeah, great.
Well, I'd like to introduce you here to Luca, who not only is playing for Team Italia, but was also the driving force to bringing AFL to women also. So, Luca, tell me, how did you become involved in AFL?
AFL in '89, when I had long and blonde and curly hair, believe or not, yeah, Robert Plant style if you're a rock addicted. So I played in Australia, and I've been introduced to rugby league and cricket. Rugby union, of course, I was there to play this, and these are the sports I commend nowadays. Then why women? Because Daniela wanted this. It was fun. So we said that joking on the TV, and a few girls came to the field and said, okay, here we are, we start, and now we have 4 clubs.
I felt in love from the very first time, also because it shows a very simple way to explain AFL, and he explained just 3 major rules, and then he said, let's play, let's have fun, and we had fun. like to say thank to all the people in Australia, the Australian or the Italian Australians that supported us, because we really felt a strong support coming from Australia, saying, bravo, let's go, keep going, you're doing something that is amazing, and it's great for us know that there's people proud of us, of what we have done here today.
Absolutely.
So, thank you.
Prego, prego.